Hello again guys, it's Daniel Joseph and thank you for watching my video. As you can see, we have a water leak here. This is a Woscester Bosch boiler. Right now the leak that you see is coming from what we call as engineers water flow sensor. The water flow sensor is not the issue, it's the water flow sensor adapter that is an actual problem here. And you're gonna see me attempt to remove the water flow sensor and the housing and replace with new ones. So the first thing you saw me do was isolate the water, and then I removed the pressure gauge and then the circlip for the water flow sensor, and you can see I've freed it out. I've also loosened the nut on the cold coming into the boiler. So the next thing you see me do actually on the screen right now is I'm going to attempt to remove the water flow sensor adapter. It's inside of the housing, and that's where the leak is coming through from. So with a bit of persuasion, you'll see me just slide it out, and you'll see the target. You'll see the culprit right there. That's it right there. This is part of it. With this, it comes with two flow restrictors inside of there, and you'll see me remove the second part in a moment. That's the new one. As you can see, it's half the size of the one that is there. So I'll remove the rest of the bit now. Hope everyone's staying safe in these current times, and hopefully in a few days we will get a little bit back to normality with what the government's going to announce on Sunday evening. And as you see here, continue on with the video, I have just pulled out the rest of the water flow sensor adapter. Now I'm just gonna start lubing up the new pieces and put them together. The lubrication is for the rubber O-rings to make sure that they get around the housing nice and smooth, and it doesn't give the resistance when putting it back into the house. You see, I'm just attempting to put all the rubbers back on. More lubrication there, as you say. There's never too much lube you can use, as long as you don't block any of the ports. This is the water flow switch itself. The water flow switch has an arrow, so you must make sure you put it in the right direction, and the right direction is the flow of the water that is coming into the boiler. I'm just putting the water flow sensor adapter inside of the housing. Now I'm just replacing the rubber O-ring on the cold copper pipe that comes into contact with the water flow switch itself. With these, each of them I would say put them in individually, because each of them have to fit snug inside, and you want a nice click on each component that you put in. That is the cold inlet. I've just put some what I call gunk, which is paste, or some people use hawk white. I call it gunk, it's all the same, make it all the same, as there's many of them to use. Alright, There you go, it's fitting snug. Don't know if you saw the little snug there, the little shud right there. It's all in now. I'm just going to attempt to put the circlip in, which is very difficult on these Worcesters. To play around a bit, a little while, manipulate it a little bit, and it will go in. And there it is, all complete. It's the return pipe which is on top of the pump. Hope if you saw, that makes it difficult for the circlip to go in. And I will attempt on this occasion to turn on the water. And what happens? What did I forget? Anyone can think of what I forgot? I forgot to tighten up the nut on the cold coming in. That's why I always check your work beforehand. Before you leave, you don't just close the boiler and run off. Second attempt. Is it going to be a third attempt? Looks good. And that's how you change a water flow switch and a water flow switch adapter. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll speak to you soon.